Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome guys. Today we have the last revision for this year about lessons 14.1 and 14.2, 14.3 and 14.4. First question, how many more edges does a cube have than a triangular prism? As we know, cube has 12 edges and the triangular prism has 9 edges. So now the difference between them will be 12 minus 9 equals 3. So the answer would be the letter D. Second question, what is the name of this polyhedron? As you can see, this is triangular prism. So it's D. Next, what is the surface area of this triangular prism? It's a length times width plus length times height plus width times height all times 2. So let us apply this rule. Surface area equals 20 times 11 plus 20 times 12 plus 11 times 12 all times 2. So now we have to calculate each term inside the bracket, then add them, then multiply it by 2. So we have 20 times 11 equals 220 plus 20 times 12 equals 240 plus 11 times 12 equals 132. Add them all, so you will get 592 times 2, which equals 1184. The answer would be letter D. Next question, what is the surface area of this cube? Surface area of the cube equals 6 square s, which is side length. So now let us apply this rule. It's 6 times 8 square, which is 6 times 64 equals 384. So the answer would be letter A. Next question, Mr. Muhammad new toaster oven has the same dimensions of the one below. What is the surface area of this oven? As you can see, here we have 14, 7 and 10. So let us apply the rule. Surface area equals 14 times 7 plus 14 times 10 plus 7 times 10 all times 2. Now calculate each term inside the bracket. So it's 14 times 7 equals 98 plus 14 times 10 equals 140 plus 10 times 7 equals 70 all times 2. So we have 308 times 2, which equals 616. So the answer would be letter B. Next question, how many vertices does the figure below have? As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have the answer letter C. Next question, Ali's new TV came in a box the size of the one shown. What is the volume of the box? As we know, the volume equals length width times height. Length times width times height. So it will be 2 times 4 times 3, which equals 24 cubic feet. So the answer would be letter C. Next question, pencils are sold in boxes like the one below. What is the volume of the box? The same, volume equal length times width times height. So it's 20 times 8 times 3, which equals 480. The answer would be letter C. Next question, Maha is decorating a box. She wants to put one sticker on each face of the box. How many stickers will Maha need? As we know, the rectangular prism has 6 faces. if she want to put on each face, that means she would need 6 stickers. So the answer would be B. Okay, next question. Muhammad drew the net shown below. What is the name of the solid figure this net represents? As you can see, this is triangular prism in which we have 5 faces. 2 are triangles and 3 are rectangles. So the answer is D. What is the surface area of the central box? As we know, surface area equal length times width plus width times height plus height times length, all times 2. So let us apply this rule. It's 11 times 8 plus 11 times 3 plus 8 times 3 all times 2. As we know, 11 times 8 is 88 plus 11 times 3 is 33 plus 8 times 3 is 24 all times 2. So the sum will be 145 times 2, which is 290. The answer would be letter C. Next question. What is the surface area of this triangular prism? Again, this rule, 11 times 5 plus 11 times 7 plus 5 times 7 all times 2. So 11 times 5 is 55 plus 11 times 7 is 77 plus 5 times 7 equals 35, which equals 167 total. So times 2 equals 334. The answer would be letter D. What is the volume of the rectangular prism? As we know, the volume equals length times width times height. So we're gonna multiply all of these dimensions by each other. So volume equals length times width times height. The length here is 4 times 3 equals 12 plus 1 is 13 over 3 times the width is 3 times 3 equals 9 plus 1 is 10 times over 3, 10 over 3 times height, which is 4 over 1. Now simplify here, so we're gonna multiply the numerators and we're gonna multiply denominators. So 13 times 10 times 4 equals 520. 3 times 3 times 1 equals 9. So it's 520 divided by 9. We can divide this 520 over 9 equals 5. So 45, subtract, it will be 7. Now 0 down. Now 70 divided by 9 equals 7. 7 times 9 equals 63. And the remainder 7. WDN. So we have the whole number is 57. And numerator is 7. And the denominator is 9. So we can say this number equals 57 and 7 over 9, which is letter D. Next question. What is the area of the pyramid below? As we know, and I wrote it as a notice here, surface area equals square B, which is the base, plus 2BH. Let us apply this rule. So square base, which is 3, so it will be 9, plus 2 times 3 times height, which is 4.5, so equals 9 plus 2 times 3 times 4.5 is 27. So the answer would be letter C, 36 square meter. True or false question. First question, the surface area of the pyramid below is 110.88 square centimeter. Let us check. As we know, this is triangular pyramid, and the triangular pyramid, its surface area equals 2BH, which is 2 times base times height. So let's apply this rule. 2 times 8 times 6.93. After calculation, you would find it 110.88, which is exactly the same answer. So this is true. Next question. A triangular pyramid has the same number of faces as vertices. we know the triangular pyramid has 4 faces and 4 vertices, so they are the same number, so the statement is true. Next question. A triangular prism has the same number of faces as vertices. A triangular prism has 5 faces, 2 of them are triangles and the 3 are rectangles, but it has 6 vertices, and it means the statement is false. The sum of the faces and vertices for a triangular prism is 11. As you can see, number of faces is 5, number of vertices is 6, so 5 plus 6 is equals 11, so the answer, the statement is true. The number of edges of a polyhedron is 2 less than the sum of the number of faces of vertices. As we know from the formula, E equals F plus V all minus 2. Number of edges equal number of faces plus number of vertices minus 2. So it means number of edges is 2 less than the sum of faces and vertices, and it means this statement is true. Next question, identify the polygon from its net. As you can see, we have 6 faces, and 6 faces are squares, so we have cube. Next question, as you can see, we have 5 faces, 2 of them are triangles and the 3 are rectangles, so we have a triangular prism. Next question, we have 6 faces, most of them are rectangles, so we have rectangular prism. Next question, we have 4 faces, all of them are triangles, and as we know, this is triangular pyramid. Next question, 6 faces, all of them are squares, so we have a cube. Next question, 5 faces, 1 square and 4 triangles, so we have a square pyramid. Thanks very much.